Before the world was loud, before pain, fear, and confusion, there was nothing. And then God spoke. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was empty, dark, silent. God didn't wait for perfection. He spoke light into darkness. Light bulb real life example. When someone is depressed, nothing around them changes. But one word, one hope, one prayer can turn the light on inside. Backhand index pointing right lesson. God doesn't remove darkness first. He adds light. God separated the waters and created the sky. He created space. Human meaning. Sometimes life feels suffocating. Responsibilities, expectations, pressure. God knows we need room to breathe. Lesson: if God created the sky, He can also create space in your chaos. Dry land appeared, then trees. Phui, seeds. God created roots before fruits. Real life example. People want success fast, but God grows character first. Lesson: if your life feels slow right now, maybe God is growing your roots. God placed lights in the sky to mark time. Sun for day, moon for night, stars for guidance. Human meaning: God is a God of order, not confusion. Lesson: if you feel lost, remember, God already placed direction in your life. God filled the sky and the sea with life. Birds were created to fly. Fish were created to swim. Real life example. A fish cannot survive in the sky. A bird cannot live underwater. Lesson: you suffer when you live outside the place God designed you for. God created humans in His own image. Not angels, not stars, humans. Human truth. You are not an accident. You are not random. Lesson: before you did anything right or wrong, God called you very good. God rested, not because He was tired, but to teach us how to rest. Modern life. We feel guilty when we rest, but God made rest holy. Lesson: rest is not weakness. It is trust. Creation began with God's word, and your life can begin again with just one word from Him. If this message touched you even a little, please don't scroll away. When you like, comment, and share this video, and hype the video, it truly helps me reach more people. It makes it easier for me to cover more Bible chapters like this. Type light in the comments if you believe God still brings light into dark places. Subscribe if you want me to continue explaining the Bible chapter by chapter in a simple, human way. Your support doesn't just help this channel, it helps God's word reach more hearts.